Pre-installation verification, also known as PIV, is one of the first steps required before any bolting is done on a project. I'm going to be doing the twist-off tension control bolt method today. So I'm going to go over what you need for tools, what things are required during the test, and why we're actually doing it. This test is done to verify that the installer, the tool, the bolting assembly are all working together to achieve the minimum tension that is required according to table 7.1 in the RCSC book. There are 5 methods of installation, but today we're just going to cover the twist-off tension control bolt method. The instructions for all 5 methods of installation to do the PIV test are found in section 7 of the RCSC book. When doing a PIV, some of the requirements to keep in mind are they have to be done on site. They have to be done for every bolt diameter, length, grade, and lot. You must test no less than 3 bolts, and you have to use the same tools that you're using during the PIV when you do the installation on the job. In this demonstration, I'm going to be using a 3/4 TC bolt, a spud wrench, one of our cordless shear wrenches, and our bolt tension measuring device. So let's get into it. First, we're going to snug tight the bolt. Then we're going to use our shear wrench to bring it up to tension, which in this case, because it's a 3/4 inch bolt, we're going to bring it up to 29 kips, which is 105% of minimum tension. And you can find that in table 7.1 in the RCSC book. So first we're going to snug. So now we'll grab the tool, put the tool on the bolting assembly. When you pull the trigger, you'll feel the bolt snap, and then you'll know that you can take the tool off. So now it's snapped off. So now you can see we've hit over 29 kips, which means this bolting assembly has passed. If you have any questions, please comment below or reach out to us directly, and make sure to like and subscribe. That subscribe button right there, over here, please click here and subscribe. Please click there and subscribe. Please click over here. Yeah.